I'm using an ink block, but you can use watercolor instead. Drop in some water and grind using the ink stick. Using a long pointy brush, practice making your leaf shapes. Press down and then lift up at the end for a nice pointy tip. Load your brush with plenty of ink, with extra dark ink on the tip. Now dragging up from a side angle, you will be able to make a single chunk of bamboo. Leave a tiny space and continue up with another segment of bamboo until you run out of room. Using just the tip of your brush, you will make the tiny stems coming out of that space in between the bamboo. Alternate your lines, one from the right, jump up, one from the left. Now add your leaves coming out of the end of each of these stems. 5 leaves on each.